Hi everyone, my name is Clyde D'Souza and in this class I'll teach you how to create tables using HTML5. Tables are used in so many places around the internet and are a great way to display information in 2 dimensions. However, when people start to learn HTML tables, it can get quite confusing. So in this class, I'll try to demystify these concepts for you. You learn to write code that produces a table using HTML5, concepts like Rowspan and Colspan, HTML elements like Thead, Tbody and why they are useful, and you learn how to format a table using CSS. This course is for beginner developers who are trying to learn HTML concepts or for seasoned developers who like a refresher. There's lots of exciting things to learn ahead, so happy learning and I hope to see each one of you complete this class.